We talked to middle school student Lillian Miller about her participation in recent science fair competitions. She discusses the entry process.
I started competing in science fairs last year because it was a Viking block choice, and I had gone. And last year I explored the effect of pH on rotifers. Also, it's fun to go compete, and there's a lot of cool prizes you can win.
Here, Lillian explains how she chose her topic.
I chose this topic because at the time I was looking for an idea for science fair projects, and I saw an article in the Washington Post on microfibers, and I had started looking into it more, and I've always been interested in oceans and pollution and fish. I wondered if the bacteria that came from the microfibers in our washing machine somehow made it through the water filtration process and got into our oceans.
We asked what research she did and how it was conducted.
So I started this science project by doing a lot of research, and the research started by doing simple Google searches for microfiber pollutions and microbial environments.
Lillian then explains how she can determine which sources are suitable and legitimate for her research.
You can tell your source is reasonably trustworthy if it comes from a backed research facility or a university, and in this case, the source had come from a research facility somewhere in California. So eventually, when I'd read it enough, I could make conclusions on my own, which led to coming to my background research and eventually coming up with this project.
We conclude this video with Lillian describing her favorite part of the project.
My favorite part of doing this project was probably planting bacteria. So to do this, I had to wash a lot of clothes, which was not the most fun part of the project, but it was necessary. And once the fibers were collected, I got to put them in tubes and take sterile cotton applicators and made a slurry, which is a mix of water and the microfibers. And I got to plate it on the bacteria, and I got to watch the bacteria grow, which is reasonably cool to do.
From PVTV, I'm DJ Lesher.